How's it going, everybody? So recently we took our flock and combined them all into one mega coop and hen house. Um, we decided to go a different route from our original plan. We were going to build this huge wooden run, but our ultimate goal is eventually sell this house in about 8 years. And so you really need to think about that. Like, that would have been a very permanent structure, and the next person might not actually want chickens. So what we decided to do is we went to Tractor Supply and got the retriever kit. It's a dog kennel. It was a 5x10. We added the extension, so now it's a 10x10 by run. And then I'll show you guys the video, or I'll post the video again, and also we'll go visit it. But right now, today, what I need to work on is their feeder. So we're going to take a kit that Nicole found on Amazon. It's a DIY feeding kit. It's supposedly waterproof, and let's see what we can do with it. So for today's project, we're going to be using the Gamma Seal lid from Tractor Supply. This is the DIY kit that Nicole found online. It comes with 4 ports and actually comes with the drill bit, which is kind of nice. A basic drill, and then a 5-gallon bucket. Now, once again, got it from Tractor Supply. We're not sponsored by Tractor Supply, but hey, any 5-gallon bucket will do. This lid, the Gamma lid, will supposedly fit on any 5-gallon bucket that is out there. But this is all that we're going to need. All right. So first thing we need to do, we need to grab our drill. We need to loosen it up. Take the provided bit, put it into the drill, tighten. There we go. Now figure out where we're going to put these 4 holes. I don't know. I say we wing it. One down. I'll have to take some sandpaper and kind of go around the edges a little bit, maybe. We'll see. All right, next one.
Got all 4.
Just gonna take some sandpaper and kind of just smooth that out just a little bit. I always keep like sandpaper like this that I have used quite a bit. I always keep it because I can just use the part that I haven't been able to use when I'm sanding, just to kind of go like this. Be able to use it for little projects like this. I think that'll be all right. I don't think the chickens are going to complain. So next we're going to take these and put them on. So just unscrew that. Now when you get the kit, it's all separated, but I went ahead and put these together so I can kind of get an idea of how this is supposed to work. Alright, so when you install it, the feeder will go like this into the bucket. So you'll take it, go like this, fit it through the pre-drilled hole. I'd assume that's how it goes, and then that would go, yeah, that would make sense. That would go on the outside, like so. So water doesn't get in, and then you take this. Okay. So as you can see, nice and flush. Chicken fits its head through here. There's a little hole that it gains access to the food. Peck, 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 peck. Keeps the rain out. Perfect. All right, let's move on to the next one. So take it apart. Take off the washer. Or the rubber gasket. Put it through the hole. Get it all the way in. Take that. Put like so. Take this. And there we go. Got all four on. Relatively easy. Now put this on. Like so. Should just snap on, supposedly. Really got to work on that. And then that off. This should easily go on. There we go. Now it comes with these little caps that you can put inside of here if you're not using all the holders, I guess. Or all the holes, but it's supposed to keep like other animals out. I'm like, okay, but we're gonna have all four open. But yeah, that's it right there. All right, let's go fill it up and feed some chickens. So here is the new chicken coop. Like I said, We got this. It's the Retriever Dog Kennel from Tractor Supply. And it's pretty easy to put together. I mean, the only real hardware you need is a socket. This is all provided, these metal, oh, I don't even know what you would call it. But yeah, these are provided, and then the socket, and you just put it on and tighten it up. But relatively easy to do. My wife and I put this all together. You have to purchase the roof separate. But so far, been generally surprised and happy with it. The ground was not completely level, so we had to kind of put some cinder blocks and other things around it to prevent them from getting underneath, plus to help prevent predators. But we haven't really had any issues with any kind of predators getting to our chickens. But yeah, it is a 10 by 10 Retriever dog kennel. The kit comes with a 5 by 10, then you have to buy the extensions to make it a 10 by 10. But that's what we did. Chickens are getting upset. They want their food. But yeah, here we go, let's try it. That. Well, they seem to be doing okay with it. Sophia, that one right there, black and white one, she's definitely been a little more aggressive since we've added the Tractor Supply girls. The ones that are all one color, these are the Tractor Supply girls. But yeah, Sophia's become rather aggressive with them.